Hi everybody, welcome back to HallMar Village. My name's David Palmer. I'm the developer with Senior Housing Partners for the project. I'm excited to show you around today so that you can see all of our progress. Behind me you can see the progress that we made since our last video with the soaring 3-story space with the nice wood beams and a ton of windows for great natural light. We're back in the dining room. Since our last visit, you can see our mechanical rough-ins are complete, drywall is up, taping is happening. Our next steps will include drywall finishing, painting, flooring, and finishing the space. I'm standing in the art studio. This will be a space where you'll be able to work on any crafts, artwork, sewing, any of those type projects that you're interested in. Our pool's coming along nicely. We're in a great 2-story open space. The pool area is attached to a great outdoor patio space that you'll be able to take advantage of as soon as the weather's nicer. The community room is one of our larger gathering spaces. As you can see, we've been working on the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough-ins. Drywall is up. When it's all finished, this will be a perfect space for large gatherings and events. The Club Lounge is a space where residents can gather for happy hour. To my left is an area where there will be beverage lockers, and behind me is where the bar will be. This is a great space for small gatherings. The Wellness Center is a space that offers an area for aerobics, strength training, and yoga. Our care center is connected directly to the village center. Our framing here is complete. We're getting insulated. We're getting a lot of the mechanical rough-ins complete. Once these items are complete, we'll begin drywalling. Right next to me is the elevator for this building. Work's begun and should be complete soon. Our memory care and assisted living building is progressing nicely. The 3rd floor finishes have begun. They include cabinet installs and flooring. 2nd and 1st drywall is being finished. Painting will begin soon and finishes will follow. We're in the north building. This is the building that is furthest along in our construction process. Since our last video, we've all but completed the unit. We have appliances in, we've got our light fixtures installed, and our cabinet handles are on. As you can see, we're close to being finished in this unit. Our next steps are to punch and fine-tune everything. On the floors below in this building, we're continuing with finishes and we'll continue our process from the top down. Once complete, we'll go to the south building and follow the same process. Thanks for joining us today and seeing all of our progress that we've made. I look forward to seeing you again in a couple months on the next construction update.